Alright, today I'm playing a game called Atomworks. It's about atoms, and they work. Okay, so I hit balls, and I hit them again, and they explode the goobers that they shoot. Okay, let's do the first 10-15 levels, just because I gotta be quick. No. Oh, they bounce. That's chill. I mean, sure. Okay. Oh, I can use 1 through 6 on the keyboard. That's so much easier. Nice. Okay, let's keep on keeping on. What is that? I reckon that's doable in one shot. Naturally, I didn't do it in one shot, but it's possible. Really? That was mean. Meanie. Yes. The power of the suck. Very good. Okay. Let's just keep going. 1. Okay, I only have 1. Fantastic. Let's keep going. We got this. I'm feeling like 4, but like right there. We give it a bit to chill. So, you know, we're respectable bad guys. That wasn't the right button. Oops. That was pretty good. Oh, that was pretty good. Come on, get on in there, boy. Very nice. Use one more boop than I would have liked to, but it's fine. Okay. They keep going across the screen, regardless of objects. So that's alright. Why? Hang on, no, that's cheeky. I clicked the button and it went nah. Now I'm sad. I clicked the wrong one. Let's just restart and pretend I didn't. Come on, we got this. I go pew. What? Bang! Why are you being a shite? Okay, no, I've been robbed many times on this level. I'm clicking all the buttons I want to be clicking and they're not going kablooey when I want them to. You go kablooey now. Oh. Okay, I'm just going to click them, like physically click them, because they're not being nice to me. And I don't like it. There we go. You see, that wasn't very difficult. Just cooperating. You shit. Okay, there we go. And that's gone a bit too low. Oh, why, yay. That was not what I wanted, you shit, you bastard. Okay, it'll do. I just clicked buttons way too many times, but it's what we're gonna have to live with, because it's a stinky head. Still 3 stars, so it's fine. Let's just keep going and pretend I'm not in immense agony from that. Wow. We ball. No, why? That was unreasonable. Why'd you do that? Stinky hit. We're restarting, because it doesn't want to be my friend anymore. And I don't think that's too cool. We'll give it a sec to slow right down. Oh, that's a void? That's an endless pit? How come no one told me that there was a bottomless void? There we go. You know why? Where? There was no reason to do that. It was just unreasonable, man. It was rude and all sorts, and I'm not too pleased about it, frankly. No. Why? I gotta be able to do that. It's possible. I know it. So it seems when I click buttons and it goes nah, it's just being a stinky head, and I can't do anything about it apparently. That's pretty good. Stop right there. Suck. Do your job and suck. That's not a threat. That's it's gonna get taken out of context. Is what that is. Great. What? Why? Just why? That's all I want to know. Why are you doing that? That's not right. That's not what I want you to do. Maybe we'll do 3. 3 seems to be a bit more cooperative today. Well, would you look at that? You cheeky shite. Okay. Turns out 2's just not my friend. Let's keep going. Number 9. Or level 9. Okay. That was like a big... okay. Let's go with some 2. No. Not what I wanted. No. It's not kablooeying fast enough. I'm gonna restart. Okay. I don't know, 1. And we go bang right behind it, and then we wait a little bit, just a little bit. Got to get him to go over. Come on, just a little bit more. Just a bit more. No, can't do that. Screw you. Is there really no way of getting it to go a bit further? Just a bit further. That was a double click. My bad. But that should be perfect, and still 3 stars, so that's fine, really. Okay, we're gonna leave it off at level 10 though. So this one is our last one for today. We've only got 4 and 6, so let's just pew and go pew. Then hope. My hope was paid off. I'm pleased. We're good. So, that was whatever the game was called. Give me a second. That was Atomworks Part 1, because we did the first 10 levels, don't you know? Do I know how many levels there are? Yeah, I know there's 28, so that's probably like, what, 3 parts if I'm really bad at the game? So, yeah, if you liked it, like it. If you have any suggestions for other games I should play, leave that in the comments. And if you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I'm a Skedaddle. See ya.